So this TV is actually mounted with a studless TV mount. So there it is. You put the nails in there. There's a bunch of nails. There's no stud required. You don't need a stud finder. You just line it up, level it out, and then use a hammer and put all these nails that they provide you. Put the other part on the TV like that. Very easy to install. There's also a safety line up there. And I was super shocked that it actually stayed up, but it worked really well. So you put it back on like that. Nice and even. And when I first installed it, I was standing by it for a while holding it, thinking that it wasn't going to stay, but it stayed really good. I did every one of the TVs in my whole house. I got another one. This is what the box looks like. This is what you put on the actual wall. This is what you put on the TV. And then it comes with all of the screws and nails that you need to install it. It was super easy, the easiest way to hang up a TV. You don't need a stud finder, and you don't have to worry about the stud.